My name is Jim Davis. I'm the Southern Indiana area sales manager for Rhino Tool House. I've been selling assembly equipment for the last 25 years. At Rhino Tool House, our mission is to identify and deliver the world's most innovative industrial solutions. We provide superior service, local expertise, and a high degree of responsiveness to empower our customers to be more productive, build a better quality product, and maintain a safe environment for their workers. I want to go back to a story that happened to me a couple of years ago. I was walking through a plant on a visit. It was a new customer for me. And I saw in the middle of the plant, we'd walked right by it, and the engineer hadn't said anything to me about it, a brand new lift assist, and it wasn't being used. So I asked him if that was for an upcoming project. And he let me know that that had been there for about a year, that had gotten installed, and that it was a little cumbersome and the operators didn't use it. So that's why it basically still looked brand new. Today we're going to be talking about lift assist, and there's three key things when we're looking at an application for a lift assist. Obviously, the first thing is it ergonomic for the customer or for the team member to be using it when we get it finished. Second important thing is it doesn't affect the rate of production. We're all need to speed production up. Operators are already having to do more and more, and so we can't really slow the operator down for our lift assist ergonomic applications. And then also we're looking at the quality of the product. If we're trying to lift something that's heavy and we're putting it down on another piece of the application, we don't want to make sure that we're not damaging anything while we're doing that. Today I'm going to be talking about the Gorbel G-Force and Easy Arm. This kind of goes in with our mission statement and what I was talking about on the lift assist. We partnered with Gorbel, and they have developed the G-Force family of products. Think of it as like a transducerized tool for your hoist, to where it's all electronic. It has multiple speed settings where you can control how fast they can go if you're getting close to the floor, and speeds for when we're getting close to the work area or when we're in a rapid travel area. So think of this as your standard hoist modernized to today's environment. The first part of that everything's kind of built on is the G-Force itself. It's available in several different sizes. Like I said, one of the big things is how fast it can lift compared to other balancers and hoists. You can stop and accelerate very quickly. You can program to where you can change speeds depending on where you're at in the work area. And with this, we would hang it on an existing overhead crane or install a 4-post to be able to cover multiple cells with one hoist if that would work for the work rate. The other part of the family is the Easy Arm itself, and it's taking the G-Force hoist and putting that in with a jib situation. So this is very good and very simple to install, especially if you're only needing to do like 1 or 2 cells that are right next to each other. We're not having to do a whole lot of infrastructure to put this into operation. For the hoist, there are several different hand options for controls that are available straight from the factory. And then also, Rhino Tool House and Gorbel work with partners to do custom lift assists. So if you are wanting to do a magnetic lift assist with the end tooling being magnetic or vacuum or whatever kind, there is different partners that we would work with to give you a complete solution. Here you're going to see an application that we worked on a couple of years ago, where you're basically seeing the operator having to do a bicep curl of that part as he's putting it into place. And here you'll see the complete solution package where he's lifting the part easily with the lift assist, placing it very well into the location. So you can see it's very simple for him to use. It's not cumbersome at all. He's able to keep up with no problems. Originally, I talked to you about the priorities when we're looking at this. So the first thing is it more ergonomic than what they're using at the current time? Also, are we able to keep up with the speed or even speed up production? And then also the quality of the part at the end of the day is better. And you can see between that before and after video that we did meet all three of those for this application. And that's going to conclude my demonstration on the Gorbel Lift Assist family. If you have any questions, please go to the rhinotoolhouse.com website and you can request more information, and the area sales manager in your region will follow up. Thank you.